Alright, y'all, I'm going to take this painting. This is one of mine. Just something I was messing around with. I'm going to turn this into a whole new, different painting. Stay tuned. Alright. Alright, so I've got this painting, moist brush, black. And I'm just going to cover the whole thing in black. Right, doesn't matter if it shows through or not. Some of it you want to, but and this lighting is messed up. But yeah, just like that. Simple as that. Cover the whole thing in black. Doesn't matter about all this stuff down here. But yeah. Alright, see? Hey, shiny. Let that dry. Alright. Alright. Everything is dry, and that's what you want to do, is you want to let each layer dry. We're using an acrylic. This is a moist brush. I've got my little heater over here because, like I said, you want everything to dry and you're working in layers. And the furthest thing away is always going to be the sky. So I've got some light blue, moist brush, and we're just going to cover everything up in here. Right. And it doesn't matter if it bleeds down to the bottom because that's all going to be covered anyway. But you can do that if you want to. Plus, it also helps in creating the illusion of landscape, like trees and stuff like that. See what I'm saying? Just like that. Come over here, and yeah, it doesn't matter. Just like that. Okay. All right. This is all dry, and now we've got a fan brush, and we've got some purple over here. And I don't know what's going to happen, but we're just going to dive into it, and just up in here, just side to side, gently, just kind of like that. Indication of clouds in color. You're putting textures and colors and all that kind of stuff. Alright, so, alright, just back and forth, flip it over a little bit, gently, side to side. You don't want to go up or down, but alright, leave some dark, leave some light, and just, yeah, see, there we go. Alright, everything's dry, and now I've just got some pink on my fan brush, just a little bit. And I mean, we're not even going to do anything crazy, just a little bit of highlights with pink, like over here and just here and there, you know, because pink and purple, right? Pink and purple. Come back over here. I got my pink right here, right? And just up here in the sky now. Just right, but we're just accenting the purple with the pink. That's all we're doing. We're not trying to do anything extravagant just yet. That's fixed to happen here just now. Alright, see? Okay. Okay, everything's dry. We've got the pink and the purple and this and that. Now we just got a moist brush with some white. And just wherever you want, not overly exaggerated, but just up in here, or wherever. Yeah. Clouds is what we're doing. And, yeah. Just lightly. I'm doing this lightly. And, right. We're trying to, you know, make the illusion of clouds. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Nothing really is. Don't cover up everything. I mean, right. Just do this, do that, all across. Moist brush. Right up in the center over here and just over here. Blend it out too, because, you know, the paint is wet still, and the brush is moist. That's dark. So yeah. Okay, see, and just kind of blend and just cover and do and make it look like well, try to look like a sky. Right. See what I'm talking about? And if there's thick spots, just lightly, blend them in, blend them out. Right. Go up in here. Sky. Okay. Right. And there's still more to do. This ain't over. Hang on. Alright. Alright. Okay, and now I've gone, same thing, same brush in the white, and I've just dabbed, like, make it look like cotton, like there's a bunch of cotton in the sky, as best I can explain it. Okay, and we're gonna let that dry, and we're gonna move forward beyond that. With a dry brush, lightly, I mean just blend it in, like Bob Ross would say. Yeah, lightly. Now, see how it all comes together? Just lightly, lightly, back and forth, just blend all that in. And that's all you need. Now, we're gonna let this dry, and we're gonna see what happens next. Okay, so everything's dry. So now, I'm gonna try this. Got some white. I'm just gonna take my finger, and okay, right up in here, let's see, right about here, I'm just going to start making a big circle about like that. Yeah, okay. We'll get it. It's okay. There's no mistakes in painting. Bob Ross tell you that, but yeah. And we'll just get the, you know, the feeling of a circle. If, right. But see, also, there's going to be some clouds uh, that come along with that. More clouds. Yeah, you can never have too many clouds. Yeah, and let's come on now. It's almost there. Close. Whoop. There we go. And okay, hang on. Okay, so here's where we're at so far. Everything's dry. I've got this brush here. It's moist. And I don't know. Let's see. I got some navy blue. And I'm just going to put some out, get some out on the brush. And down here. Let's see. This, yeah, okay. I'm creating a lake. Come back up in here. Oh, that's nice. Right. Oh, yes. And don't go all the way up to the edge. Just like that. Oh, yeah. Navy blue. We're going to let that dry. Yeah, see, it looks different angle, light shining. Yeah. Uh-huh. Navy blue. Ooh, man, that looks good. All right. All right. What I did was I took this, everything's dry. I took this brush and I put it in some light blue. And I made the indication of water, I guess, lake, whatever you want to call it. We can come back over here too, again, and as it dries, add lighter, you know, not all the way, don't really, but it adds another layer to, you know, to what you're seeing, what I'm saying. So, right, see, leave a little dark areas in there too, same thing. And lighting is different, so you never know. But yeah, just like that. Cool. Alright, yeah, everything's dry. And I don't know if I'm going to mess this up or not. So I'm just going to take an acrylic paint pen. And right here, okay, right here, I'm just going to come on up. And right, I'm going to make a tree. Uh-huh. And we'll come on out and, you know, limbs, stuff like that. Right, and you'll see. And we're gonna we'll make it look right. All right, hang on. All right, and so far I just put a little took a acrylic paint pen, made a little bit of an area where you can see. Oh, there we go. You know, and then made a tree. And we're pretty much almost done with this, I think. Hmm. Okay, everything's dry. Now I've got a brown acrylic paint pen, and what I'm going to do, because what I'm seeing is over here, like right up in here, just kind of do that and create the illusion of a little pathway or some more ground, is what I would call it, I guess. Color it in over here too, just up in here, same thing. and make it look like some ground, like there's some kind of thing up in there. You know, just like that. Gotcha. Right. And then a little bit, Just do it. Just little things. Over here too. Ground. The level of the area is what I'm trying to say. Something like that. Gotcha. Okay. So now we're close to the end. I just took this brush, it's moist, and I've got some gray. And I just kind of dabbed and added and, just lightly, just right there, like same thing. And we're going to let it dry. And we're pretty much almost there. There's one more step. Okay, so everything's dry. And this is the last step that I'm going to do. I got a fan brush and I got some white on there. Not a lot, just very, very, very gently. Make some moonbeams. And, okay, just start in the center. And just barely feather touch. Come down, take a look. Okay, right, and then come back up here. See, and then gently. Same thing. Start from the center of the light source with sun or moon, and go at angles. Right, like that, and come on now, and pull. Right, and okay, yeah, and you gotta be real gentle about it, and just keep on going, but gently. Gently, because if you mess this up, then you're messed up, because the moonbeams or sunbeams cover your whole painting. And okay, so all right. And notice I didn't dip my brush back in the paint. Okay, so now it's dry, and we'll do it again. We'll let that dry, and it was layers. All right, so I just took a fan brush, put some white on there, and gently just made moonbeams. And you can do the same thing with the sun. It's still moist, so I can still kind of very lightly blend, right. But there we go. Oh no, it's crazy. You gotta be real careful when you're making moonbeams or sunbeams. And there it is. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, hit the like button. Till next time, peace out, have fun, stay safe.